Hi, this is the unboxing for the Jackery Explorer 300. It is a 300 watt external power supply. It's a great thing to have if you love camping or going outdoors and you want a power bank or a power supply for your phone, iPad, telescope, drones, heated coffee mugs, or anything that can be charged by a USB or a car charger. So I would primarily use this for powering my telescope outside when I'm out camping. This is the unboxing for it. Okay, the box looks pretty standard. It has all the power ports listed here on the outside and what it can power. It's a 300 watt power bank, and let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so opening the box, we are greeted by a bag. Let's see what the bag has inside. So it has the 12 volt charging cable. Yep. And this is the AC charging brick. So you can charge it from your car adapter, the standard 12 volt car plug, and this is the input, and this is your Jackery wall adapter. Let's keep this on the side. There it is, the Jackery Explorer 300. Set my camera here. Okay, so this is the Jackery 300. Let's peel off this label from the display. Okay, so it has 43% power in the bank. So this is where the power in goes to charge the power bank. As I said, there are two ways to doing it. One is through your 12 volt car adapter, and the second one is through a wall adapter. Both cables are supplied in the box, and you can also charge the Jackery using a USB-C port. So you can actually connect the input here and a DC port in. So this is a dual port. This can supply power to the Jackery and also can be used to charge your devices. So standard two USB ports, 5 volt, 2.4 amperes. And then this is a great thing about the Jackery. This has two standard plugs. So if you have a laptop or a device that has a 3 or a 2 plug charger, you can just put them in. And this is a DC cable. This is the 12 volt DC adapter. So this is what I'll be using to power my telescope. Most of the telescopes come with a 12 volt and a 6 ampere power. Right. To the left side, there is no torch. Some of the Jackeries that I know, they come with the torch on the side. This one doesn't. No issues. So it's not that, it's actually quite light. It's not heavy at all. So 300 watts should be good enough to power my telescope for a good 8-10 hour night viewing session. And inside the box we also have some paperwork. So this, I'm sure, has the warranty and a sticker, I think. Well, that's pretty much it from this unboxing. See you next time.